Hello everyone, today we will look at how to shred carrots using a Kitchenaid. So first we need to open this part and the shredder part will go into this. So this is the part, we just need to make sure that this is aligned. Can you come a little closer to show this here? So there is a hook here. So we need to make sure that this part fits exactly into this. If this doesn't go, then this won't rotate properly later. So we will just put this inside. There is a square, a rhombus kind of a thing. So we will just make sure that it goes in properly and then just move it a little, and now as you can see this part is exactly fit into this part here, right? And then we can try to just tighten it up as much as possible. Now as soon as this is done, now the first part is done. This is the shredder. We can put this in. Okay. Yeah, so this is fit now. We can switch it on and then try once to see how it is rotating. See, it is rotating, so we are all good. Now we will just take one carrot. We also forgot to put this one, so we will put this one inside this currently. There is a kind of a part here which we can match from here to here. This goes in. These are the carrots now, so we'll start this up. Ideally suggested speed is around 4 to 6. You can adjust it accordingly. So we just put it and then just press it a bit on. As you can see, the carrots are coming out. We can show it from the front. And then we can keep doing this. So once this is done, we can also try to put 2 carrots if they are a bit thin. As you can see there are so many carrots already done. We will be preparing gajar halwa after this. Also, if the carrot gets stuck, there is another way to basically remove those stuck carrots. We just need to put this down, take this out, and see, these are all the stuck carrots. We can take them out like that and then put it back. This.